What's the meaning of ahistorical? Ahistorical. 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 The term ahistorical refers to something that lacks a sense of history or ignores the significance of historical context. It implies a disregard for the past and its influence on current events or situations. An ahistorical analysis or interpretation overlooks the importance of historical circumstances and operates as though everything can be understood based solely on present-day conditions. This approach can limit our understanding of events and lead to flawed conclusions. Therefore, it is essential to take history into account when examining any complex issue or debate.